Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a VA2715-2K-MHD. It is a very high resolution but very nice entry-level 27-inch monitor, and we're going to show you a little bit about it. So let's get this open and show you what you get in the box. As we open the box here, we're going to actually get access to some of the cabling and documentation that comes with it. So right here is part of the stand for the monitor. We include an HDMI cable. We try to include HDMI cables in all of our entry-level products because that's what we think you guys are going to want to connect it with and make it really easy and really simple. Also, we have a power adapter. And then pulling the entire unit out of the box, we start to get some of the components to assemble the monitor. So this is the stand for our monitor. We're going to assemble this with that piece to give us our nice sturdy stand for a 27-inch panel. Documentation, sort of quick start guide, gives you the information that you need, but I'll also provide you that information right now. So opening our monitor up, we intentionally face the panel down so that it's as protected as it can be as you're removing it and as you're getting it together. I'm going to flip it around here to give me access to the bottom. And then we try to make this as toolless as possible. So we have our simple upright stand. We can plug that right into the monitor. It'll click into place, tilt it up as far as it'll go. That'll give you access to then plug in the base. And just like that, we have a fully, easily assembled monitor that I would like to show you. So this is the VA2715-2K itself. Now, one of the big things that we thought was important with this generation of product was really getting that enclosure to hug the display so that it's all about your content and you're getting the best screen to body ratio that we can provide. Additionally, this one does have that higher 2560 by 1440 resolution, which is really great for CAD work or any precision line work. This is also a VA panel, which means it's vertical alignment tech. And what's really great about that is a very, very strong native contrast ratio. This will actually do 4,000 to 1 as a native contrast. Now, what that means is really, really deep, rich blacks, but it also means that when you're using this all day long, the comfort is better. You're looking at a panel that is better able to reduce some of those bright highlights and really give you those deep blacks and let you enjoy your content that much more. So this is going to make your content look the best that it can, even at an entry-level price. So this has just been a quick overview and unboxing of the VA2715-2K. Please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.